Are you tickling him?
Say, wake up, Jack.
Baby, Dad, wake up.
Okay. Should we try to feed him now?
Yeah.
Come here, buddy. Open your mouth. Here, should I try to get it in there for you?
Yeah.
Here you go, buddy.
Open up, baby.
Here you go.
Open.
Here you go.
Baby, Dad.
Boy, he is just not wanting any of it.
Poor little girl wants to feed him before she has to go to bed.
I'm not going to bed.
No, you're not going to bed, are you?
Here you go. Try to squeeze it in there.
Jack!
Jack, here you go, buddy.
There we go. Now he's starting to wake up.
He's got the hiccups. There we go. He's yawning. Here we go. Come on, buddy.
Jack, Lucy wants to feed you.
What, baby, Dad? Oh, he got some.
I'm trying to break him.